PC Building Simulator. I didn't know such a thing existed, so I headed straight into Steam to buy it, but there were some problems on their half that took 3 days to get fixed and also got this video delayed. Screw you, Steam. Okay, let's just hit play. Welcome to PC Building Simulator. To begin, go your PC and the door will open the email program in the desktop. Oh, nice job. This looks interesting. Oh, cool. They got my wallpaper on my work desktop? Nice touch. Oh boy, look at this email. And it is signed by some Uncle Tim here. Got some work here. Okay, just pick this up. Now let's connect all these cables. Okay, here we go. Let's start this baby now. Install virus scanner. Here we go. No keyboard. Why? Oh, we have to connect this cable. Sorry, my bad. Insert USB drive. Okay, it's done now. Time to roll. Why does it still say no keyboard? Okay, got it. Just have to restart the PC. Oh my gosh, what sound was that? Why do I have to restart after installing an app? Oh my gosh, that startup sound is scary. Okay, let's head over to the BIOS. Looks impressive if you ask me. Ha! A Celeron with 2 GB of RAM, DDR4, along with a 750 Ti. Wait, why? That GPU will be seriously bottlenecked by that processor. Let's just restart. I won't bother too much with others' builds. Oh dude, if only real virus scanning was that fast. Okay, just delivered and now got to collect my money. Okay, just made my first $100. Just some dust blowing job here. This thing is nasty. You should clean your PC at least every 3 months. There we go, easy money. Oh boy, you have an in-game online store to buy parts from? This looks kind of like Newegg. Bought a hard drive. Let's just put this thing inside the case. More money. And there, I just made my first $1,000. This is so easy. More jobs and more money. Oh dude, $2,000 there. Alright boy, we built a second workbench right in there. Okay, let's take this serious now and build an awesome gaming rig from the costliest in-game parts, shall we? The Core P5 looks sick. Just look at this thing. Okay, the MSI Meg X570. I cannot get the Tomahawk, just the absolute best. Let's install this baby and we're almost done. It looks impressive. I like it. The 5950X, there you go. Time for water cooling and it's in. CPU clock, the Vega 64. Yes, this is the red build. Piping stuff now. This thing is satisfying, dude. The Spectric RGB RAMs, just because I use this in real life too. Just looking at them right now. 4 of them in. This looks sick, dude. Time for the M.2 boot drive now. SSDs, more SSDs, even more SSDs. Time for a power supply. 850 watt is the highest here. Don't know why. A 1000 watt should have been the best for the system. But in-game limitations, you know. This looks sick with that deep blue cooling liquid. Time to post this thing. Installing OS, there we go. Booting the first post. Perfect. Now shut up, turn off the lights and let you enjoy the build. Okay, so that's it for today guys. This is a solid app for beginners who want to learn the basics of PC building without diving into it and frying components. And also, this is one great app for content creators. They can showcase very complex scenarios without wasting time and money. So, this is a solid $20 that you can spend if you're in the US, or 529 rupees if you are in India. And if you like this video, do consider liking it, and a sub to the channel would be massively appreciated. We are almost nearing 350 subs. And with that said, I'm Marco and I'll catch you in the next one.